Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is I'm going to dye my hair. So without further ado, let's just get started. So guys, I'm going to combine two colors, not really combine. So I decided to put the half, and then in the bottom of my hair is red. This is color hair wax. I recommend this because it's way better than usual hair dye that you use. The color is really vibrant, guys, and it really stay for your hair for really long time. It's affordable and don't have a really strong smell. It's kind of like you're just doing shampoo on your hair with some colors. So I'm going to mix it with argan oil repairing hair mask. Guys, here it is. I put some of the argan oil hair mask so that I'm just gonna mix it. Just gonna do, oh my god, just gonna start, guys. See, it's already dyed. Oh my god, really strong. Oh my god, they're already on my neck. I'm just using my hands, guys, so that it's easy to get the stuff. I really need to put a lot so that it's really gonna blend on your hair. This is very easy, guys, because you know it's easy to blend stuff like that. You just really use your hand. Red. Is this how the red in Taiwan? Is this the red color? It's actually fuchsia pink, kinda like that. It's okay, it's not perfect, guys. Nobody's perfect anyway. So, I have to put this first. Got so messy. Like, I become so clumsy. Never clumsy before. Here it is, guys. Hair mask. Just mix them. Mix them. Oh my god, what happened to my hair? Tell me what you need. Because of it's also, my hair is so like hard to comb, guys, because I didn't put some conditioner. I just shampoo my hair because every time you need to dye your hair, you always need to just shampoo it. No conditioner. Okay, guys, lesson for today. Char. It's really strong. It's already like violet, purple, violet. Are they the same? The good thing to go to the salon, guys, is you can just relax while someone is doing your hair. I always like to dye my hair myself, guys, because it's cheap. And I also know how to do it. Like that. If you have ethyl alcohol, guys, you can remove the hair dye off your skin. So I already shampooed my hair yesterday. I don't wash my hair every day. Today I'm just gonna use conditioner because this is actually hair mask already. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash it.
A few moments later.
It's been 30 minutes. Okay. It's purple on in here, but I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's purple color.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I used the same t-shirt that I wore earlier when I dyed my hair. So this is the result. You cannot really see right now, guys, because my hair is so wet. I'm just gonna let it dry first. For that, I'm just gonna use the hair cream. This one, I always use this. Guys, the color of this hair wax, guys, is really strong, even still transfer to my hand. So I'm just gonna let it dry, guys, and style my hair, and then see you on the final result of my hair. Hi guys, so this is the final result. Purple on the top. It's kind of like blue, right? Nice curl. I'm gonna show you the back. So, it's like that. And here, I think it still have red in here, guys. If you can still see. Charot! Ayan. Yan. Diba? Maganda.